It's always good to be on with you guys. I'm doing pre-market preps here in the mornings in the Edgeful Discord as well as on socials, and then daily recaps as well. So always good to be on with you guys. So I missed some nice longs on the DAX this morning. I must say they were very, very neat. Clear opening range, breakout play, and I was looking for a pullback, and we only got one, 100 points higher. So I missed out on those easy longs. We are back at all-time highs on the DAX. Very, very interesting. And yeah, I mean, looking very bullish. So, we're going to have a look at the US markets as well. Could we be heading back towards all-time highs with them? Yeah, possibly. I think it all, we're going to see what we do get. I managed to make some money shorting the NASDAQ yesterday. Again, if you guys want to come and rewatch those videos, I'll put them out over here in the chat too. But yeah, after the day, I'm always doing recaps and then pre-market preps here as always. But yeah, going into this morning session, I'm going to leave you guys again just with simple reports that I am looking at with Edgeful. Just really, really simple stuff. The opening candle continuation report, we went through this with the NASDAQ looking very, very solid. Let's have a look at the last 3 months, what this has actually brought us. So basically what this report tells us, if the first hour is bullish, how often do we get, a bullish closing day and so forth. But something that's really been helping me is this, as well as the opening range breakout report. So let's look at this. We can see in the last 3 months, first hour is bullish on the NASDAQ, 76% chance of a bullish closing day, and vice versa for the shorts. So even though we've been on a pretty bullish uptrend, the shorts are just still working at well with that as well. So let's look at ES with the same statistic, 78 and 77. I mean, this is a pretty solid stat to have in your favor. And you can actually come and customize this as well. Like you can change this. I've got it on for the first hour. So from 9:30 to 10:30, but you can change this to the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you would like. I mean, even on Nvidia and Tesla, I'm pretty sure this report would look pretty neat. Yeah, 87. I mean, that's very nice. And 74. Let's have a look at Tesla. Last 3 months. Yep, 84 and 74%. I mean, these are great stats. And then YM. Let's have a look at the Dow. 72 and 79. So, that first hour of open can bring great, clarity in terms of direction that we would like to be trading in. For those joining on stream, if you come and hit the link in my bio over here, you actually do get a 7-day free trial to Edgeful, but you only know that, again, if you join the streams. I'll put in the chat there in the Discord. If you guys are interested in coming to have a look at it, of course, there is the algos that guys have been crushing it with as well. So come have a look at it, Edgeful. The link is in my bio. I've put the link over there now too in the chat. And that's where you can actually come get the 7-day free trial. But if you are joining us for pre-market prep, if you've got any questions, anything that you guys would like me to cover, let me know. I will do so. If not, I'll see you later on today for an end of day review, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I think in terms of the longs, we do look like we are breaking up. So let's just actually have a look over here. We are trading in the middle of previous week's highs and previous week's lows. We can actually see over here that we are slap bang. Here's previous week's highs, previous week's lows. We have kind of just been ranging this week, down on Monday, and then Tuesday, kind of very, very choppy price action yesterday. So yeah, not much news to really speak about today either. We do have some FOMC meeting minutes, but other than that, not much to really speak about for the rest of the week as well, besides unemployment claims. So I like the longs now that we are sitting above, the 5-day moving average, as well as weekly VWAP, start of week VWAP. But we'll see. Again, I don't like predicting. I'll just wait and see what price action gives me, and then we'll go from there. We are still trading as an inside day. We are within previous week days highs and previous days lows, and that's probably also why the S&P and major indexes ranged yesterday. We were inside, trading as an inside day again yesterday. So that's my thoughts this morning. I do like the longs. The DAX is moving to all-time highs. Could be possibly seeing new highs for the week. I'd like it, to trade back towards these previous week's highs. So that's what I'm, from a longer-term perspective, target. But we'll see. We'll just trade what's in front of us. And then we'll see you guys for a end-of-day recap as well, as always. Bring your questions. See what trades you took. See what trades I took. And we'll take it there. Perfect. I'll be in the chat rest of the day. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you then.